This is the Iron Trader. The pit's just closed, so we're going to take a look here at crude oil and natural gas. At the end of the video, the support and resistance levels will be posted. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have the crude, your daily, weekly, and your monthly chart. Now, if you look at Friday's low, okay, it came in at 76.72. Today's low, 76.72. So you have a real nice, good support area right there. So what we want to look at here is 76.91. That's your 100 SMA. You want to look at this 50 SMA here, sitting at 76.38. And then your big retest here is 75.72. That's on your daily chart. Now, you look on your weekly chart, you want to look at the support levels of 76.89, your 8 SMA sitting here at 75.99, and then your gap fill, same as the daily, 75.72. Now, what you want to look at here is this 200 SMA. This is sitting at 72.66. You see how everything was basically sideways action, but even though it went down lower, it closed above for the month, above that 72.66. That is very, very key level here. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to look at those levels for key support. Okay, on the upside here, now we want to look at today's high. Okay, so you got 79.18. And we want to look here at this 8 SMA here. This is sitting at 79.97. Then we look at this candle here. This is 81.24. Then we look all the way up here to 82.78. That's your big 200 SMA, and then your retests going on here at 83.53. And obviously, if it breaks above, then we have the 21 here at 85.92, and you have your 87.05. That's your 50 SMA. Now, but if you look at the 50, she's coming down, so this is going to come down here. This one is flattening out. Your 21 is flattening out. Your 200-day is back on the downslide here also. Now, if we look here on your MACD, see how you had the crossover? That's never good, okay? That's on the sell side. So what you want to do is we want to look on the upside, is always look at this 8 SMA. That's going to be strong resistant area. So when you look here on this 8 SMA right here, see how it went up and then up and then up and up, and it just couldn't get through until it closed above. Then the price moves up. But as long as it stays below that key 8 SMA, then the prices goes lower. So just watch these support levels and this key gap fill right here, okay, on the downside. And then what we want to do is on the upside is we want to watch this 8 SMA here, and if it gets above, your target is going to be the 82.78. All right, here we have the natural gas, your daily and your weekly chart. Now, basically just sideways action here, building a really nice base. So if you look at this 8 SMA here, this thing is sitting at 2.204, and your 21 SMA here is sitting at 2.155. Your 8-day crossed above, just like it did here, and then it takes the price right on up. Now, the two key levels here is going to be this 8 SMA right here, sitting at 2.218. If it can close above, then you have this 50 SMA here sitting at 2.351, and then you have the retest at 2.385. Now, if you can get above all that, then what you have here is you got this candle, which you have to look at, it's 3.027, and then you have 3.156, and then you have your big boy here, 200 at 3.75. Now, on the downside, you need to hold this 8 SMA. You need to hold this 21 SMA. If not, you're going to do the retest here at 1.946. So this actually is a good scalping right here between these two price channels, okay? Just go right between the two price channels, 1.946 and 2.385. You can just scalp it, but it's small scalps. This is getting real tight, so it's probably getting close here, either to explode up or go lower. And I would think it's going to go higher, especially going into this time of the year, especially if you get yourself a nice hot summer. So right now, just take small scalps. There's nothing to say I'm going to go all in on or anything, but you have some green candles, but it's just a sideways action that's going on here right now. See, just the sideways action. There's really not a whole lot of anything, but you're building a really tremendous base here on it. Now, on Kramer tonight, you're going to have Jerry Jones, and he's a biggest owner of Comstock Resources, CRK, and that's all natural gas. So if you get a chance, take a look at, listen to what he has to say here. He might be talking different here about the natural gas or whatever, but it's worth tuning into. I posted a video earlier on CRK. If you're interested, take a look at that. All right, thanks for watching.